Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Tessa at Tessa Lynn Nails. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme today, abstract art. A little out of my comfort zone, I'll be honest. I've gotten started with Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and here is KB Shimmer Quantum Leaf. It's a very fall looking polish, but I also see it as a summer polish with it being yellow. So, we're just going to go with that. I wanted to use this one really bad, so I decided an abstract mani would be great. All right, got the first coat down. We're going to go in for a second coat of Quantum Leaf. Get that on there. It's going on really well considering it's got big glitters in it. I'm so surprised. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. And today I'm just stamping, nothing crazy. I am going to be like stamping different colors, different designs. I'm going to go a little wild with it. We'll see. Excuse me. There I go, capping my free edge. And I got a little blob under the nails, so we're going to get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there is Quantum Leaf on its own. I'll be using Maniology. And this is MXM 095 and MXM 096. And I'll be using the Opaque Black and the Opaque White sticky stamping polishes from Shimmer, as well as the Shimmer Scraper and Stamper. Got to get these blue films off of these stamping plates and get them wiped down with some acetone so that we can do some playing. And I'm just going to get all willy-nilly on it. I'm going to, having issues getting this corner up. I have trouble sometimes, y'all. There we go. So I'll leave them in so y'all can see, in case you're having the same struggles, you know that it's normal. All right, gonna get that blue film off of there. And I'm going to wipe them down with some acetone. Makes them kind of look a little foggy, but it's okay. Get them cleaned up a little bit. Just in case there's any residuals. Okay, I cut out putting the polish on it, and it'll be okay. But I do put that on my nail, and then I go in with the next one. And get this image. So I'm just pulling images from all over this plate. Just kind of background images. Very abstract looking to me. I had some extra left on that one, so I just used it on my pinky nail. Especially with this being abstract, you can totally get away with that because it's abstract. And I was looking forward to this manicure. I'm just gonna let you know right now, even though it's not my swirly twirly normal stuff, I really like this. So now that I'm done with the white stamping, I'm going to clean this plate off, get it ready to put away. Yeah, got some down on that end too. And then I'm going to move over the other plate, and we're going to do these stamps in black, just to give it a little balance, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but I'm definitely going to give it some. So I'm dabbing that one there. Clean the stamper off again on my lint roller. And then I'm just going to move around the plate. I will clean it part of the way through this process, but, I'm not going to go too crazy. I am cleaning up any excess that I don't want off of the stamper with a little piece of tape. And then we're just going to plop that one on there too. There's no rhyme or reason to this manicure at all. I'm just getting all crazy playing with all these different images and just slapping them on all over the place. I know it looked like I was pulling up the image, but there's still some little dots there. And those are going on my fingernail. And this one didn't show up real good. I've got a lot going on with the base polish having so many glitters and zhuzhes in it. This one didn't really show up all that well, but yeah, I wasn't going to try to remove it. I'm just going to keep on playing. I mean, it's there. I can see it, but it's just not like real visible. I'm going to use part of this image over here. And these are the stamping plates. I remember when they came in, I was like, what am I going to do with that? And then right after I got them, I was invited to join the collab, and I was like, ha, 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 perfect. Perfect. This will work out great. You can see I'm just all over that plate, just everywhere. And again, it looks like I've removed all of the image, but there's still little dots on there. They're still there. But on screen, they disappear. And we'll just be bopping along here. And before I forget, I should have a hashtag down in the description box if you would like to, go over and check out the other manicures that were in this collaboration. See all the other abstract manis. And I'm getting that black sticky stamping polish all over me. All over. I gotta get my cotton ball out here with the acetone and get some of that off. But it's because I'm using all over the plate and I'm just getting messy with it. Sometimes I can be a mess maker. It's a wonder I hadn't got it all over the stamper already. Got it all over my fingers. And you don't have to be in a hurry with sticky stamping polishes. I did speed this video up just a little bit. I typically do that. I go from normal to 1.25. So it's a little faster, but not too crazy. All right, got that one on there. I'm going to turn around and use some more of this other one. And that's what I love about this is abstract. You do not have to be exact. It's just lovely. Okay, I did clean off my stamping plate. And now we're just going to go in with some more images and finish this one up. Very, very cool. Very fun. And I do hope that Miss Tessa has a wonderful birthday. I hope it's a good one for you. Here we go. Gotta clean this stamper off here too. Of course, I'm out of frame for this part, but you can see what I'm doing here. I mean, like in your head, right? You can imagine it, right? All right, just giving it a once over, looking and seeing. Do I need any more? You guys know I like to overdo it. I don't like to, I just tend to. That's it. I tend to overdo it a lot. I just can't help myself. I get busy playing and I just don't want the music to stop. I'm ready to keep on going. And we're going to put a little bit of that one here. A little bit of it over here. This is so much fun for me. You guys just have no idea. It's like I'm in heaven. There we go. I think we're done. We're going to clean this stamping plate up and get it ready to put away too. Get it wiped down with some acetone. And the little mat and the big mat underneath. And get everything wiped down. Alright, so I'm going to go in. If I let this dry for a while, I probably could have gotten some of it up with the sticky tape. But I didn't have the patience for that. So I'm just going in with my acetone and cleanup brush this time. Going in under the nail too. Looking pretty good. Ta-da! I am going to top these with the Shimmer sealer. And you do not want to use very much of this stuff. You be very, very sparingly with it. I'm probably getting it too thick myself. I'm going to get Woody back out here. Thank you, Woody. And once that's dried, I'm going to go in with my Posh Top Coat and seal this one in. And I have to tell you, I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. Even though it's not my loopy twoopy swirly twirlies, I really did like this one. I thought it was pretty jamming. Pretty cool. pretty fun. And here is my swatch photo. There it is. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.